Ready to go? Can we go?
You ready, set, go. I'm timing these guys.
Go, 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 go. Shoot. I'm so freaking dry. Work up some spit.
Tell me what color you guys
Red.
Red.
For crackers.
You got a minute and a half.
I'm already
dry.
You got to do it on your own.
They have to start over.
They have to start over with 9 crackers. If you can't do it, give them 9 crackers and they can start over. You have to actually swallow them, not put them down the front of your top and on the ground.
You go, girl. You go. Go.
I'm so dry.
It's like a woodchuck. Look at that.
Wow. You can't spit it out. You gotta keep it in. It's like sawdust.
A lot of them still in there. A lot of them still in there under the top.
Going.
All right. So are we done? Are we done?
No, she's got to clean out her mouth.
Oh my gosh.
Take your time. You got it.
It's like cleaning a bandsaw after.
What was the sweet?
I don't know.
Don't choke at it.
I will give you a water to take with you when you're done.
And a clue. Oh, I'm impressed.
Slow it out.
30 seconds to do the first two.
Time's up. Sorry.
She did it. No, she did it. Look. There's only a wee little bit. Come on.
They're past that mark.
Yeah, it's past the
She's done. We did it. We did it.
Who has to eat 3 crackers?
15 seconds.
Huh?
Who has to eat 3 crackers?
9 crackers.
9 crackers.
Have you got
We have to start
somebody else?
over?
We ran out of time, yeah.